We all know it's easy to let time get away from you when you're using your device. One way of being strict about when you switch off is to use the timer to lock the device. You can access this feature in the Clock app, so tap on Clock to open the app. This app has 4 main features. There is World Clock, Alarm, Stopwatch and Timer. So tap on Timer to open up your options. You can change the duration of a timer by sliding your finger up and down in the hours, minutes and seconds columns. I'm going to set a timer for 10 seconds to demonstrate how this works. You have to change the When Timer Ends option by tapping on it and scrolling to the bottom of the list to find Stop Playing. This means the iPad will return to the lock screen when your time runs out. You can tap on Set to set those options, and tapping on Start will begin the timer. Imagine now that I was reading an article on using the camera to evidence learning. I know that when my 10 seconds runs out, the device is going to auto-lock and return to the home screen. So there you go, you can see that's just happened, and that'll remind me I'm supposed to switch off now. And I would actually have to sign back in using my passcode if I wanted to continue the task I was doing. Hope you find this tip useful for yourselves.